Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Maclifter kit on my Prelude. I've had this kit for a long time. I'm sponsored by them, so here is the package. I haven't opened it since it arrived last year because I told them I live in Canada, and again, we don't work on our cars throughout the winter. At least I don't, because it's too cold. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to be showing you how to install these and make your fitment look a lot better. So let's get to it. I don't know if you guys seen the new Prelude look, but this is what she looks like now. Good old yellow. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, basically I did the reveal on here, and now kind of just seeing the vehicle now on the YouTubes. This is what she looks like. But in order to install the Maclifter kit, we're gonna have to take the front bumper off. As you can see here, I kind of have a little bit of bumper sag. Very common on them Hondas, especially the Prelude. So we're gonna show you, or I'm gonna show you how to remove the bumper and install the kit. Oh, sticky. Okay, Maclifter looking nice. So they sent me a good decal here, Maclifter, or it says Mac. And then what else is in here? Ooh, nice flight tag by Maclifter. Thank you for the goodies. Okay, this one's the front here. They labeled it with an F. So this is kind of what comes with the kit. So have your bolts, some washers, some nuts, and then these are the pieces that we are going to be putting on the front bumper. So let's get to it. Yo, you know what I just found out? That's so sick. Look at this. This thing's engraved Prelude. That is crazy. That's nice. I love the nice little features right there. So thank you, Maclifter, for that. That is sick. Made in PH. I think that's Philippines. Okay, so first up, what you're gonna need to do is remove the two plastic clips that are holding the grill in. And I have to remove the two 10mm bolts. This little guy right here is also holding in the grill and the bumper, so I gotta remove her as well. Okay, next thing you're gonna need to do, there's going to be a little screw just kind of hiding up in here. Gonna get your typical Phillips screwdriver. Get her up in there. Oh shoot. Get her up in there. If I can get it. It's dark. There. Then you start unscrewing. And this is what you're looking for. This is what the screw looks like. Okay, next step, now you're gonna have to remove these 5 plastic clips that are now holding in the front bumper. And then that should be it of what's holding the front bumper on. Okay, so now this is what you're going to be looking at. You see these black little clips that only held them by a Phillips. So we are going to be removing these and then replacing them with the brand new Maclifter pieces. Grab your new Maclifter kit. Very beautiful engraved Prelude logo. This is going to go on the very front, so I think when it says F1, meaning it's going to go at the very front of the car. Then you're going to take your bolt and a washer, put her through. Then you're going to grab another washer, probably a smaller one here. Place it on the back, along with the nut. So we're all gonna do that on the car. Okay, now once you get everything down, I'm gonna use a 10mm socket along with the wrench to kind of put behind the nut to hold it in place while I tighten the bolt. Now we put the bumper back together. Let's get her up on here. Kind of line up everything. Oh, it snaps in. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yo, that fitment go crazy. Oh my god, that's nice. It's nice and tight in here. That's good. Oh, that's nice. Let's get the bumper on. Ooh, no more bumper sag. Let's go. And just like that, I got no more bumper sag. Everything's nice and tight, and it looks really good. Now everything's gonna put in reverse, and then your fitment's gonna look really good. So I just want to thank you or give a shout out to Maclifter Kit for sending me these nice product. You know, the Prelude is now looking a lot better. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys know how to install your new Maclifter kit, and it's gonna turn out like this. It's really good, so I love it. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.